You've known us as Springdale Automotive for nearly a generation. Welcome to the next generation in complete automotive service. Welcome to Springdale Automotive Centers. We've changed our name and our brand. We added Stein Automotive to our Springdale family. Still locally owned and professionally operated. We will continue to provide excellent customer care, affordability, and the technical expertise you are accustomed to receiving from Springdale and Stein Automotive. Now we're getting better. Better with 5 convenient locations. Better with expanded high-tech service and technologies. Better with our guaranteed service. Better as the next generation embraces the highest standards and quality automotive services. Whatever you drive, we service. Whether you need specialty tires, engine service, diagnostics, electrical, AC, and ongoing maintenance, you can trust our automotive repairs. Our top priority is keeping you and your car safely on the road. Download our new app from our website for the latest specials. From one generation to the next, we are proud to call you not only customers, but family. Welcome to Springdale Automotive Centers, the next generation.